Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna guide you through on some tips how can you add example message on Character AI. First open a Character AI application on a device and make sure you have logged into your Character AI application and click onto any character you have created. If you have not created a character, you can check our past episodes. You can see this interface after clicking on a character. Tap into top of a character and you will be welcomed by this page. You can see many options in this page, but directly click into edit character. After clicking, you can see this interface. Scroll down below, you can see add subtitle, add description, add character definition. You can add subtitle and description as you want. And here comes the main work you want. Tap to add character definition and enter your unique ideas and definition. Later entering a definition, tap to save. And here you added an example message on Character AI. If you found this video informative and helpful, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more popular content. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching us till the end.